Also, the last stop of the day was the furthest away. About 20 kilometers south of Malpe beach is Kapu beach. It takes about 40 minutes to reach there. Also guys, if you want to replicate this trip just like me, a cost of a full day's car costs 2000 rupees and half a day is 1200 rupees. I'm leaving a link in the description of the place that I booked it from. So guys, just arrived at the Kapu beach. It was a bit of a drive, about half an hour at least from Malpe beach. There is a sole reason that I have come to this beach. I have only traveled this far, like it's not very far, but thoda sa aage aaya hu only for one reason, and I'll show you that. So guys, I am now on the main Kapu beach. As you can see the sand behind me, and the sole reason I am coming here is this lighthouse which is right behind me. So this is the Kapu Lighthouse. It was built in 1901. Apparently it gives the best panoramic view of this. So to go up to the lighthouse, there are these steps, and there's the lighthouse. Now to climb these steps. If you want to go right to the top of the lighthouse like I did, the timings are only from 5 p.m. to 6 p.m. I got there dot at 5, but there was nobody to open the place. The wait began, and 45 minutes later someone arrived to open the lighthouse. The fee to enter the lighthouse is a nominal 10 rupees and 20 rupees for the camera. There is a very interesting spiral staircase that takes you up about 4 to 5 stories. In the middle you also get glimpses of the view above until you finally make it. Guys, just at the top, and check out this panoramic view. Nice solar panels, and that's the sunset. Isn't it just beautiful? Worth coming so far. Just see a lighthouse. Now to say the view from the top is breathtaking would be an understatement, with Kapu beach on each side. Kapu is known for those gigantic rocks on the beach, hence the lighthouse. Watching the waves crash into these rocks was just something else. Another thing fascinating to watch was the fishermen calling it a day at sea. They look like little ants as they packed up their fishing nets and boats for the day. You know how earlier in the video I told you about travel plans and them not working out? Well, sometimes the opposite happens. Because the lighthouse opened 45 minutes late, they had to keep it open for 45 minutes more. That meant I got to see the sunset from here. Now what better vantage point than to see a sunset from on top of a lighthouse at sea? And I know I say this a lot, but boy, it did not disappoint. Just take a look for yourself. I hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog that turned into an Udupi travel guide. If you did, please like and share the video